How to use same Telegram account on two devices. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use same Telegram account on two devices. Now before we begin, if you're new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let's continue. The first thing you will need to do is install your Telegram app. To install it, open up your App Store or Google Play Store and install the Telegram app in your second device. So tap on install of your Telegram and install the app. After you do that, you can simply open it up. Now, to use a same Telegram account on two devices, there is nothing actually new or extra. All you need to do is go through this process. You'll need to add in your phone number and log in. All you need to do is log in. You do not have to do any extra things to use the Telegram account on two devices. Now you can do this on your web browser as well. That is, you can use the web version as well. You can have a web version of your Telegram, the other of your phone version. So all you need to do is log in using your phone number on the second device as well, and you will be able to use your Telegram account. So it's that simple. You will need to verify your identity, and after you do that, you will get logged in, and it's that simple, guys. That is all for the video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.